The Leatherman ARC comes in this package. It is what you've been waiting for. So it has an instructions booklet that talks all about, but one of the things you really notice up front is this. Yes, it is just way one size notch bigger than the original. So the original one, yeah, you expect it in this size, but ARC is just a little bit bigger. It also comes with this tool rack over here for you to use. So the tool rack gives you all the different tools that you actually need in case you want to go ahead and start using it. The ARC all by itself is engineered to perfection. It is small, it is pretty great weight, and it balances itself out pretty good. Of course, the biggest question is, does it all fit inside the bag? Let's find out. So it comes in this box over here. You can open it up, stick it in. Does it justify this extra bulky size? I think it does. And above all, it does have a room that you can stick this in right in the back here as well. So yeah, you can see that this gets a little tight here when you put everything together, in case you want to stick it in here. It's a little harder to put it in here, but maybe what we have to do is to take it backwards and stick it in. And that's how you do it. Yep. And you can put it in. It's a little harder to stick it in here. Maybe it goes in the front sleeve. So let's check out the front sleeve instead. And yeah, that's where it was. That's where it went. So this one goes right in the back, and it fits right there perfectly in how it's supposed to be. So the bigger one does justify its size and its distance. And when it comes to that, it is this one over here. Wow, take a look at this. That's a beauty. Really is the beauty over here. This blows the freestyle all the way because it's just amazing. Now opening it up, you can see how it looks like over here. With this is an interchangeable tool, and it closes and opens everything. Is magnetic over here. At the top we have a blackout. Finally, yeah, we have a blackout blade that is included on this side. On the other side we have scissors, and the good thing is you don't have to go ahead and move it from this and put it in a correct frame. It just comes out right away ready for you to be used, and you can just press this right here and close it up in case you actually need to. Now we have a bunch of other tools that are included here as well, such as a saw and such as a sharpener that we can use too. Now we have a lot of small tools that are here as well, and here they are. I got them all out. We have the awl over here, we have some wire, and we have this. It's like a screwdriver tool over here on this side too. Now in case you want to think which one is the one for the bits, well, we have a separate bit holder that is also included on the other side here as well. And of course we have something else here too, which is a bottle opener that is also included here as well. So we have everything you basically need all in one MacGyver tool in one little unique package. So if you want it, and if you've been stuck on an island in the middle of nowhere, you would need one tool that does it all. The ARC does it all for you. You got everything you need in a small package, and it fits in the palm of your hand, and it has the superior steel included, including this that you can stick right in the back or in your side pocket as your sidekick. The freestyle features all magnetic over here. We have the opener that we can use to pry things open. We have the wire stripper over here as well, and You can use it as a bolt cutter maybe. But the prime really thing about this is just how beautiful this actually looks like. I think that if you're looking to conserve money and looking to get the ultimate Leatherman, this is definitely the one for you to consider with the blackout beautiful blade. And this is the blackout blade you want. It doesn't actually give you this black, all this nasty stuff on you as you go ahead and put your finger on it like they used to make. This is a really nice looking version of it. The scissors are beautiful over here. I'm glad they have a scissors over here because you have everything you need in one tool. Pretty much you don't usually get everything you want in a tool. There's always compromises. There was no compromises. Everything is in here. So if you're going to the army, you're going to the Air Force, you're going on a safari, you're going to climb Mount Everest, and you just need one tool that does it all. This is the tool for you. And it's better than having 3 or 4 different tools when you can just have one and you have all the tools that you need, so it saves up a lot of packing space for you as well. So it is worth it, and specifically worth it for collectors too. But the primary thing here really worth it is that you get high quality steel, the Magna Cut that is included over here. You get a very nice looking Leatherman, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. You don't get too many tools that come up with such a great warranty here. And above all, if you're going to want to give somebody a gift that keeps on giving, this thing is just beautiful. It comes in a gift box already included for you. Just put it right in here, and voila, it has everything you need for anybody who is interested in buying a quality tool that is already made to be given away to somebody. It's already there. It is in the box. It comes in here, and it comes with a booklet how to use it. Just close it up, and it's ready to go. Overall, it's awesome.